To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Yeah, just back for business. She's for the streets, just living life with no apology. Yeah, free from poverty, this by the spiritual analogy. Some days she's happy, some days she's sad, some days all she thinks about is money. She's on a mission to fulfill her goals. Her heart remains so icy cold. Mama wasn't there for her, Papa wasn't there for her. There's no family that she could call. Hey. Some family is bad for business when there's no one to call. Who feels it? She's for the streets, just living life with no apology. Yeah, free from poverty, this by the spiritual analogy.
Oh, oh, come here. Come now.
How are you looking for?
We are looking for. The last. I never want to come over here, you know, because me and Dad, the dog, they can't agree. Ever rush me and he always see me come in here.
Go
Like
like
my
that. The dog did long time. Right now, I have some parts and give me to go build up one old bike for them. Cause right now, I know. So I go and pay out your bills.
Never not trouble. You did the club one night?
One night club. How many ask me that? One boy, what go on? How much your bill?
You did the club, yes or no?
You know,
Is
so
that
one night
question?
time them do. No, sir.
You never did a club? May I ask you one more time?
So make you pressure me. So what you did there? What you did there? What you did there? From you reach out, you just ask me what me did there, what me did there. What you did there?
Me just say you come up at a bar now.
Which bar? Me never did no bar. Me never did no bar.
Is your tongue tie up?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
tell lie.
No, actually, I know me love laugh and everything, but watch out, me never did no bar. When me I do a bar? When me have reason to do a
where
bar?
were you? Where were you?
Me dey in my yard, na my bed, just did a ball. How me miss you? How more you come back home and something. So make you laugh. You take me for joke.
Like joker right now.
No,
Because
say,
who would
right.
I believe it? Which man go
Then
believe
yeah, right.
it?
Then if you tell us me dey in my yard a ball for you.
Ball
So,
for me?
you mean come back home? Me want you in my life. See me
Who
right
to
now.
come
My
back
heart not
home?
stop beat for you, girl. And you me want to come home. Here.
Listen to me, I can't even take care of yourself, but you want me to come in here. Where you going to take care of me?
So
say?
hype, you're ready for hype back. Alright, hype, you're ready for hype up yourself for me now.
It's not hyping.
How you call it then? What you call it? If I
It's
not hype,
just-
then why you don't tell me, look, if me can't take care of
I'm
myself
being
first?
an
Where you
independent
start,
woman.
you start hold one piece of food now. You just get hype, so all of a sudden for me, you never used to go on, so when nothing not go on for you. But you go on, man, a normal pre man. You see, come on, me see tail till you get cut off, you know. So, you know, you go on.
Anyway, why am I coming to you? And I hear some sister get shot.
Who?
What sister me have, boy?
You know what, you have more than 100 sisters, you know, me ask who
Amanda.
Amanda.
I know I'm stressed, so I'm not even know what to do because she
You
run
don't
out.
know with man Amanda still, you know, but watch her, I can't believe say really that go on. I wish at her, you hear who?
I don't know what woman and I know what really good down because me dey go
That's
look
why I'm
for
telling
my
you for
mother.
low bar alone, low club, low bar and club alone, but no. I know if you make money.
It's my work. I mean, I make sick of people. Me start work for please nobody. Colby, you ever try to piss me off? I when me there, my lowest point.
Me ever
You
try
want
to piss you off. So I'm 20 you piss me off. Me not talk about when you piss me off, but no, me not piss you off.
Listen to me. Me need to find out certain things soon.
Oi, me done with the life. This one me pick up here. Look more.
Colby.
Yeah, man, let me go and look for the box to me. Right now, time is money for me. What happened, girl?
There.
Me hear what go on, you know. I'm really sure what go on. What really happened?
Get shot with you. Right by your compound.
My compound. Which one I room when I get shot, you know?
You never say me get shot in a room. Me say you get shot by your compound. Anyways, that's some money me come find out. Cause, you know them things. Me need to put back myself on track.
So, well, I know my problem that. I know my problem that. So, you say, me if you give money, I know if you get yourself on track. I know me shot you. Or, second of all, you have to get shot. I do your business.
You get shot at the business.
How? In which one I room them? Me make sure I have CCTV in every room, you know. My eyes they all over my business. So if you get shot out, that's so where you call for my compound. And me not see that. What me fi do about that? Me hear about it, but me don't know what go on.
Me I work here long enough in a bossy. Me I work here long enough.
We not old enough to get pension.
Well, I know. You know what me realize
Yeah.
you know. The situation can't get me like how you get the rest of them. You treat me different.
What you talk
You
about?
treat me like the black sheep. Me simply come to you. Cause after you come for help me, you know, as we said before. I simply come to you. Just to tell you say, me need little cash to put back myself on track cause me drop off a track right now. Are you gonna look for me and tell me that?
For the work later. That I all the cash me can give you. Come and work, you get paid. Other than that, me can't help you.
Me fi follow the work later. In a condition.
Second of all, I not even know what go on. I just hear something. You not come to me and say nothing. For when me I call you, I not even get to you, you know.
Lost my phone. I don't have a phone right now.
So am I a problem that? And me lost your phone.
Boss, me never say you lost my phone, you know. Me never look for you and say that. But you're gonna look for me and tell me, say me if you come in and work later, in a my condition, after me undergo so much pain, not even have money to buy medication.
So no money you want? Forward the work later, man. Go and go do what you have to do and forward in a work later. That's all the thing me can do right now.
Right,
is
you
that.
know. You see, that work thing, it not go work. I tell you from my heart, it not go work. So you know what me I go do? Me I left that work here, you know. Me I left that work here. That work here enough for me. Because every time I come at that job here, some ever go wrong with me. And you don't care. That's the thing. You don't care about me. You only care about your business. And if you care about your business and not care about your work, that don't make no sense. So you know what me I gotta do? I go walk out. I come down my yard. I don't want you, nor my sister, nor nobody will associate with you. Call me. I'm done. Literally. Have a lovely life.
Just come and work, man, and stop her foolishness. So she not even know that she easy for replacing.
I wish the rain wash it all away.
How is your call?
I wish the rain
Yo, that man.
away my stains.
Yo, big one.
You see how go on now?
Yeah, man, you must see about the little thing going down here, you know.
Me hear about it, so what really go on?
I really get some of the details, you know. Just to come kind of do some of the business with one of your workers and, you know, things kind of get cheated because, you know, things start and she never want to finish and, you know, those things kind of get out of control, so. Alright, I know. I know police probably involved with this, isn't it? Yeah, man, so you all want to know. In case police really get involved really swift, man, yeah, 100,000, you know.
Yeah.
Man. Yeah, man, yeah, 100,000, kind of. Quash it, you know?
Alright, I know I'm all pre that man. Right there, right, man. You're not forehead, man. Remember, say how you name with your name, you know.
Yeah, man, big man, thing, and try to, you want to take away, you know. But it's something more different, you know, say. If you hear me and call her, you know, you got to work in a club, you know.
No, you no go there, some man. You know, say you think of, man. I'm to you, man. What you talk about?
Alright.
You know, see, I'm go find my girls, them, you know.
Alright, because what I say, yeah, man, your word, you know. Anything when me say a laugh, but me, I'm man of my word.
It covered, man. It covered, man. It covered.
Alright, then, I say a word, then.
Alright, then talk.
Top team. You gonna look fine now.
How?
Seriously, ready for me now?
What do you mean by that?
Machine will come more. Bad man.
You carry cheese.
Bad man tell them you may tell us something. I don't tell them come back here some bad already, not thing already.
How you feel like you? How happen? How you step to me? So how happen? How?
I'm take off, I'm looking at my face to go to you. Look at me now, come and smile at the charge.
No, but me not smile the night. How go on? How
Man,
why you
daddy.
step to me
Daddy.
so? Remember say,
Daddy,
yo,
you,
no way I do.
you,
Go on back out there,
you,
some man.
you.
When I carry my money, come give me. Me make you get your bike.
Yo,
I'm telling you some money, man.
Yo.
Yeah, go on, man. Take your time, man. Go on. You see me
Yeah.
leave my meds. Go on, man. You
Bad
feel
man.
that? Go on, man.
Remember saying now?
Yo, I say go on, man. I want
you
to
feel like an interest for you, man, come back to them back.
But me no want to know your story, my friend. Me tell you, so when you get the money, when you get the cheese, I cheese me work for anything.
What the fuck, come back. I'm listening, man, come back.
That I think about in a day or so. Cause what? Me send it go process at one different place.
Come like you're walking in.
Yo, go on from workplace.
Yo, me tell you this. You see all of you, you see you want to you know what a jam you want to do.
Go on, man.
Crosses.
Go on, man.
Left.
But you feel like say so you go look a boy. You lick your cross your face with this. How you feel like? Go on, man.
Oh, go on, girl.
Then what happened? You may have funny now.
Seriously, go on.
Well, I come to you for answer for your advance.
Money again.
What mean money again? You not giving no money from when bossy?
Well, here I go on. Honestly, me have too much for deal right now. Too much for me. And can't go deal with this, you know. Remember saying you think they're on a different level, say dude. So what you have to tell me sir right now? You don't see your sister?
No, I'm not see my sister. I'm not see her from the incident happen.
Incident. You know, say she just not real and left from here, so.
I lie.
Just
Where
not
come
real.
for?
Well, she check me upon her thing. I remember said something happened, you know.
So
But
I give her money?
what kind of money? What you talk about?
Yes, I should check if you
Me look like charity?
No, I just ask her because yes, I should check your pan and
Yeah,
things.
what?
Someone
Me have some things to deal right now. Right now, me have some things to deal.
So when you say later and me come in then?
Later when I come in, man, cause me have some things to deal. You see?
I watch her.
Sick. Yes, if a man here sleep and me left gone pan and come back. See there. After one now. I say me I go do it, but I say me I come link up here. I want to where you want to good. So I go and see first night. Then I say I go
So what do you mean by
No, I'm not calling.
You left me asleep. You come back house me asleep. You fi tell me, you know, cause me not understand. How comes you left out of your house? No, you get up out of the bed early and go bed. And what you go do? What you go do?
Go
Cause normally when man get up early, you know, and me no do not mean, you know, and must something you go do make you get up so early and go bed.
Then me just don't tell you things stay at the bed and you come like you take man for joke, brother. You know, you tell me say you want a serious relationship, brother.
You shed
I
eye
try to take
water.
things serious.
You shed eye water. No man.
Come like you take my feelings with joke, man.
So what problem now? What you wake me up for? What problem?
I think I say me call him, yeah. No, if you go wine up on nobody that and touch up on nobody, brother. You know? So I forgot, no what style. You know?
So hold on there. What if me wine for somebody? What if me wine for one man?
So
Is there a problem?
Careful, you know.
Let me buy careful. Me ask if there is a problem if me wine for one man. Cause me
Just
buy
give
now.
me bad wine then.
So what you mean by now give them?
You want to say you can't give me bad wine then like him.
B, I don't like say I'm not serious. I don't like say I'm not serious way. We are gonna have no intercourse or you man go take me and carry me. When me just a dance, make me money. How me I go survive? If me not dance for the man, how me I go make me money? Eh? It look like something wrong with you, you know. Something wrong with you. Anyways.
What's wrong with me, you know? I'm a sensible you. No matter what that. Anyways, what?
Anyways, so all you worry about if a man touch me. That I worry about. So me's a thing now. Me's a thing. When they touch up. Something when they touch up. You hear me I say? Last night me see the boss, you know. Yeah, the bar owner. When me I walk to go in, he stop me and he give me one look at advance. Understand?
Advance.
He give me money, so comes me have the money now.
Someone like yeah, advance so. But me tell me see, me know me feel my vibes. My mind just tell me if you come here. See you.
Remember say a dirty bike. The bike where you have people them bike. Remember say you get you know and you pop off everything and fight, you scrap it down, you do this, you do that to the bike. So where they talk about now? What problem?
No, I said film back they sort out. Me still go for film back.
Yeah, so go for
your
bike.
I go sort out and me just feel the end of the thing, just go link him. Oh yeah, sleep so far morning. You tell me say man get much money advance again. I don't know.
30,000.
Yeah, them saying that. 30,000. Someone just get 30,000 for nothing at all, sir.
I'm the best up there. So what problem?
Best in what?
Me I best dancer up there. Me I best dancer. So if the man, if my boss want give me an advance, him see say me hard working and me deserve it. So you know come tell me nothing. You need to go fix the piece of bike because right now you know make no sense, you know. Just come go on. My friend come go on.
I think it's still. I really like that bike. Small go fix still, you know. So you couldn't give me 20,000 together.
He come like you're sick. He come like say your head. He come like say your head mad off me. He come like say your head mad off me. Listen. You better you just come take a little time and come from out here. So go on through the door.
You may say, I'm say to you still. Zin, I'm really come to tell us still. Me they go for my bike. So then if you go back up the side again, the thing will go back to normal when give normal and normal and you cook.
No, that can't work.
Right.
No, that can't work. Listen.
What do you mean it can't work?
Listen, me give up my career for you once, me not go give it up for you twice. Go on. Go boy busy. Huh? I make me money, me I make whole heap of money for your little bike taxi something where you are run. Me don't know what is that. It cannot mind me. See that me hear one do. Me face one little lightning up and it can't get no lightning up. See me I lose the little pound and me put on what there.
Oh, so the bike tax and everything what there. The bike tax and I keep it floating.
It's because me love you. Make me stay. But in my intention, me know say need your work.
So you hear me do?
Eh?
Hear me do?
Me hear the do, but no, me hear one do. Me hear one do, and me not go take.
You want wicked, yo. Tell about who no humankind. Myself, man.
You just a know.
Me have a sort out myself, man.
You just a know say me a wicked.
But
You just a know. What in the dark, I go come to light.
You don't need to go back up and sit down there. You see me, just relax.
Allah you dey tell, come
Go
on.
on back here, bro.
Allah you dey tell, excuse, come
I'm
on.
not sure you go on this time. I'm not going this time. Go on.
One, no, Allah you dey tell when I come and tell about me not to go there to go work. Come out,
You don't have to
one.
go back and work with SMS.
One for the piece of scrap down bike.
Regular day, I'm not call you up, you know. Watch, you know. You know, at the end of the day, I'm not fool, you know. Because if you do something and start my thing, you want to come back here. Touch, you know. Now, man, pray and come see, man. I'm kind of corrupt and dark. What's up, me, I go say, real while. But you mention, man, just go and relax, man. Where want feel?
Get away!
Where want feel?
Boy, you not follow me up. You can't follow me up, eh? You can't follow me up. Me no want no fees. Sister, my boss give me money. Me can't more than go buy. Right now, me no want no box food to
I
eat.
say you switch quick.
You understand? Me no want no chicken or me no want no
I say you
them
switch
they look
quick.
eat that food. Right now, me want go on around table settings and go eat some shrimps and lobster and grill and this and that. Just go on away, brother. Just come out
Say,
there.
tell them, say, me can't afford grill and lobster.
Eh?
Me can't afford grill and lobster.
Hey,
You good, man.
just take a look for
Yeah,
yourself.
man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah,
Take
man.
a look for
Yeah, man. Know
yourself.
yourself,
A man whether
Anything
with
reach
that
about
top
you,
notch.
cause yeah. Remember me tell
Anything
you.
will reach me. You can't do me nothing now, me no know.
Me say
You
anything-
can't do nothing behind my back and me no know.
Anything reach your boss.
Me say if you can't do nothing behind my back and me no know. My God will dream me and tell me what you do. All skirmish. Work this boy. Me say you make me look pop down, you know. You make about a whole long my life, so.
Judge, you know. I'm glad you see it, you know, that you must come check here, that. Believe to that, you know. Just say where you going with?
You should tell me where you are going.
I'm leaving my compass and me down, dog. I'm telling me I get tea pant, dog. What if you haven't want to walk up as a dog?
What do you mean by that?
You say when I woke up as a bad man, I'm not too love their style in that.
Yeah, man. If you work as someone.
That's what you say.
Yeah,
Should I
man.
make your man do them a type of work, a bad man?
Well, so what you mean by me make?
So bad man, what kind of advice you give me, girl? What that for?
What
What kind of business
advice?
you get?
No, me not in no business,
Me
but
not
she's
very
a
good.
part of
So
my
girl,
business.
The girl tell me saying, come on, my friend, you just give money to my friend, so I'm not trust that.
No man forget money, enough money too.
What you mean, sister? Long story short, bad man. Me know my girl work as a dog. So they come back as a, like you know, saying no place as a for work, bad man. You think I'm try sure, dog? I'm not too late then style, bad man. You think I'm try sure?
No,
Not really,
I mean I get it, man.
You mean you get me, dog?
You
mean
mean
get me, dog?
I mean I get you.
Spanish me talk,
Woman forget money. Enough money.
bad man. Me
And if woman
So-
they
so-
here,
so- so me not
we
give
are
her
gonna
money.
throw money
Wait,
upon
try say
her.
me not give me one money.
Me nah say that, but
Yeah, dog.
you know,
Yeah, bad man. You, dog.
I know for money, I know.
Bad man. They say my compass can erase the dog and they come like a ignorant and get me ignorant, my friend.
Yeah.
You tell me be a fool and it's ready. You tell me about woman who work as a dog like.
Alright, watch her. You come to me and say her, you know. So that's why I make you know say her.
Alright. Who see a woman come on from my place and yes, you go tell us and make him advance. So you don't feel yourself.
Well, yeah, it depends on how much.
Man. You may say, man. I'm not gonna make you frustrated brain in the dog. You may tell us about this. So when I see Pinky come back as a,
Yeah.
tell him say, brother, you know, no work as a again.
God go with you on that, you know.
So you come and hear you depend on that.
Well, here we are going. I know where you depend, you know. And where she depend. Because business is business. 100%.
But think them say no, what can you do?
No, because what she tell you.
Tell me say, you the give money.
Here we are going, here we are going, here we are
You
going.
tell me say.
Look here, I know where you want, you know. I know where you want, and where she want, and I know where she tell you. You know what they say, what you were saying, where you see a one thing, you know. And how I go.
Me can't back chatting thing, and my friend, I say, true now that the man, yo, dog, that's making nothing of, you know, work as a brother. Simple, daddy.
I tell me that I ask me that.
Tell her that right now, my friend, can I come like you asking now, work again.
Alright, I know I'm pray.
Hey.
By the way, you're bad, sir.
Man, you're bad man, you have left a place to that.
Okay.
Bossy. Hello?
Yeah, you're Pinky, what kind of style that you?
No.
Because I don't understand what kind of discussion you're man in now.
What you saying, Kondo? Check you.
You know what, yo, come check me. Check me on out.
Yeah. Something's wrong, something's wrong. You said hello, but you looked the other way. Something's wrong, something's wrong.
Yo, bro.
Call me crazy,
What's what?
but I know
Yeah, man, I need to go and deal with something, man. Right now, I make business a certain way, man. No joke. Yeah, man, the box I need to deal with by this evening.
Yo, bro, just listen to me. I say no, you with me. I deal with business, bad man. Me so forward, you. What I mean, me no want make no money. Me no must want make money. And money run the place, you know. Just relax, man. Me I deal with some brother. Some people there wait for you. Then just they are hold up one time, you know. Just hold on, man.
Yeah, this before club time. After. You cannot lose money. You know, the more money you make, the more money me make. Yeah, man, forward go and do the thing there, man. So by about what time? By about what time?
Yo, just easy, man. Me so forward, you.
Alright, perfect. Alright, me I do that little thing I know said you, so no problem.
Yo, cricket. When you down forward, tell me to show me here. Yeah, wait, that's right.
So where you see you going on? Your man, you know, 3 long left there, you know. So what that for? What you say to
What
you?
make you talk? Where you going to? Your man.
So your man.
Yeah, but you talk and you give some form of attitude.
No, man.
Like that.
Watch out. Second of all, remember, you know, that bad for business. Me and you both know that. Bad for my business and bad for food business. So you have to say, because I don't understand where that comes from.
Listen, I understand what you say. But at the end of the day, I'm a man. I'm just there try to be real with him. I understand. Because I'm not going to know lie. I love him. So I'm just there try to be real with him. You understand? But you don't have no right to come up as so. Can't do that.
Gotcha. Say love, yes, sir. And say business, yes, sir. The two of them can't mix. So keep your love life over, yes, sir. And the business over, yes, sir. Your man not fit over, yes, sir. Keep him over love.
So hold on. You're my boss. Or you're somebody with a counsel me. You're my counselor. Or you're my boss. Which one of them?
I said thing.
Eh?
I said thing. But that one now,
Because
man, pull
you
up.
like turn out in a wrong way where you're my counselor now, you know. Because me I tell you something and you tell me say, see love over here, so I'm business over here, so our business over here, so I'm love over here.
You know what, if I tell you the truth, I don't really give a f about the love part of business.
So when
Me
you
a
curse
deal.
by the way.
No, it's just that your man page me. It's not even a
Then
page
if
still.
a man page you, you must stand up like a man, act like a man, and move like a man. A man page you run him for your business place because of your place, and not for him place and not for me place.
No.
You understand?
Watch you know. Remember saying that your man and you love your man. Imagine your man can tell you say me run him way. You go pre me. Remember saying a full thing dep on a level, you know. Boss,
you work, me I work. So if you run with the boy, that is no problem to me. And money me I look, you know. And money me I look.
That's
So as what you say,
hold on.
business over
Calm down. Here I go. What you drink? So
I drink one cold Heineken.
Cold Heineken. You want the light? Because I know you send up your blood pressure, you know. Because I know I'm boy in a car. You see, as long as my business go, full business go, nothing else not really matter. Watch out. I open this up here now, say, okay, alright, in the car. You have to just control the man still, you know. Because I don't really know. No, sugar have to go on. Because anything can go on, you know.
I'm not so Uncle Stanley. Enough for that. One night. Yeah, please.
Well, you know, you could have stayed like a longer car. You may never want to cut. So no. So make sure you say that love thing that you really not work for it. You tell her before, you know, that bad for business.
No, girl, no, man, you know, no business can't go on today. I'm not really on business more than that. No, I'm done tell you, see, I get your money already, man. Remember, so we talk about that already. Don't make it seem so like that, man. Yeah, man. Alright, later I'm come link you up at the club and so forth. See? But right now, I'm kinda just eat some food or with some chicken and well contented, you know? You know them vibes when you just squat, you know what I mean? Yeah. You know what I mean? So, I was so my brother come meet me.
Aye,
I'm a general, you good?
yes, the man.
That's cool, man.
Can't touch the lion palm,
That's
alright?
cool, man. Yo, well, I know. Okay. Yeah, man. So there's no say, maybe make it happen. Alright, cool. Yo, so we see how going now.
One thing doing a fireman. Me like you keep your no be a fruit tree and thing in a man.
You know what thing about it, man?
Watch you know. Get shit to pint. Can you say that one thing I did for me though?
What's that now?
Come by no man. You name what you name me no man. Never get caught up in a man. Skill is thing both time no man. Watch you know. I want one more pet, me say one place, me don't want to move for me. Cause right now I'm a flat foot here, I want to escape. Cause right now, for me woman be stressing me out in the father. And you hear that good man text off my phone right now.
Hold on. So what that become my problem now? Brother, me tell you already now, bro. So certain things we did done come from foreign and you know, so listen me I say no man.
Alright.
But every time I reason with the star, come like that me like we can't stand you. It's like you give me a time to express myself and tell you what about you just tell me. No, alright, talk where you talk.
Talk. Listen.
Me's a deport you.
Yeah.
Certain things we do can't do it again. You understand me I say? Cause me want to live my life clean.
I give a piece of money.
Piece of money?
What you mean, man? I can't give 10 grand man, I know, sir.
10,000 So me forgot jail for 10,000
Bad man, you not go to jail. You not get catch, you know? Come like you forget to say a union.
Hold on. Alright, talk to me. What I can't business that about more pay than them.
What you man want bike? I just see code word. You want bike. You see that? It's not just part of a bike. Because I understand say they are foreign. You don't forget what is a bike. You understand when you say more pay, then call them a foreign. So I say more pay, but it's a bike. You understand? And I tell you say, you want boldly now. Him now, it's a true yarny mind. You can just tell him, say, way. You know me I say, and you just park in one place, and tell him to meet at the bar there. You know, it's a junkie love drink up, and you keep going to the drink up, you just move it. Play like you don't know then. After you move it now, you just walk go meet him. You just play like you don't know nothing. You know what I man? Yeah, man, it's how you name man. Can't get catch. Believe in me. Bad man. Believe me, man.
Yo, let me tell you this. Check somebody else now. Check somebody else for a mission here. Cause right now, I tell you right now, a jail. But you understand. Why I'm calling the man? The man, no, yo.
I said 13,000.
I'm running to my place, man. About 13,000. That can't work. You understand me? I say?
15.
Brother, there's no amount of money you have me right now if you go to jail. Because slow and
bad man, you go to jail.
What me I go?
Who you put jail on this thing for? Bad man, come like, who you put jail on this thing for? Who's the... Me come and see the reason the fire, but I'm going to mention nothing about jail.
You don't have to mention about jail. A jail work, Mr. Brother.
No.
You understand me? I say?
You go get catch, how you go to jail?
I mean, some forgot, brother. I'm stop all illegal activities. Simple as that.
And me go there for biking. And me go get the bike I use.
I don't respond about that. But I mean, I go check him man. If I saw the case, and put my sin upon his
check
spot.
him. And you go,
yo, listen to me.
Yeah, you go. Make it easier for you. Zin? Just time to link you. Zin? You know what jinx on you. Make a move. Just time to link you. Since you're afraid. I'm afraid. Since you're afraid.
That can't work.
Since you're afraid.
Hear me, I say. Just no say.
Can't imagine that.
Full friendship cut then. See? Yeah, hear me, I say the man. Just remember say full friendship cut. As simple as what me I say, I just sort it out right now. You understand me, I say? Because I mean, understand where you come on my yard now, see me in the sun cooler now. And I come tell me, say, I jail me for go. Eh? You know much things we go try to find, brother? Eh? I show me a virgin and me a reason certain way. You have to overdo it now. You tell this.
I mean a reason, man. You man go like, yeah man, taxi, turn here, man. Yeah, man, but here go on. Since I want to get paid, I go do my business. But if you remember, say me know make you really a yard, you know.
Yeah, right. Remember saying you go on like you're a coke boy. Remember say a thief your friend them that and sell back to white people.
Yo, ease the man.
Remember, you know?
Yo.
Alright. Oh,
Alright,
yo.
yo.
Remember you're a dog thief. Remember say you go on like
yo, ease now, brother. Done now. Alright.
Oh, me fi done now. No, me dey talk for the town here.
Yo, you ease the man. Calming your voice. You can't talk so loud, brother.
Say you want.
Just shut him out, man. Shut him out.
7,000 me have.
No, no money for him. No money for him. So I check him and deal with you.
Alright.
But you just vanish that information. Forever.
Right.
Forever. You hear me I say?
Alright then. Just do this thing for me and vanish. Say me link about it forever.
Alright, go on, me check it.
Say.
Go on, me check it, brother. Me say go on, me check it.
Right, you should take it 10,000 to cry.
Yeah, you see. See me I tell you everything what the man they attack say not true, you know. But me can't make it look like say not true my talk. Who this one? Hello? Oh, what going? Me there. Just there, take it easy. Talk now, what you have to say? You tell me say you say something now, yeah. I don't know how to tell you this, I don't know. Just start now. Eh? The night that yeah. Me did work the night but me did end up reach late. I that one. Alright, say no more. Respect for that. Alright. So why not feel love man? Be true and put a trust in them. Alright. And I say no.
Forgive me. I may have
Amanda!
said a few things that didn't sound
Amanda!
proper. Forgive me. I may have done a few things that shouldn't really matter. Don't blame it on the music.
Listen me, Carlo.
Blame it on a terrible
Last phone. Where you have some
Yeah,
phone?
me I try get up some something. See if we can get back one. Yeah, buy me one.
Like seriously, Amanda, you really ask me about phone like right now? One time you're injured? You know you could have lose your life, right? Everybody a call on your phone, everybody a look for you, nobody can find you. Mommy worry sick about you.
Right now, me don't want you nothing about mommy, you know.
What you mean you know you nothing about your mother? And your
It's
mother?
like me stutter when me attack. Me don't want to hear nothing about mommy.
So you not show me your hand or nothing?
See there?
So, alright. Before we go to the whole mommy situation, tell me what happened. Who do this to you? When? Where?
The same night, when I send me to the man. After me done that, and I come out, me see one man in our car call me. So I say, alright then, me I go. He did it, we do a thing. The man offer me 10 grand. So I say, alright then, I make that go down the drain. I'll hold for money that. Anyways,
And I love that still, but one.
as I was saying, the man did it, nah come. So I say, alright then, me tired, me want go home. The man insist say he have to come. Anyways, me get irritated, because you know me stay. Me get irritated. And come out of the car.
But Amanda, stick up in. I could never care me hear you say you're the inner. I want about the whole car situation and you're still going to care. What you think they have a bar for? When you think they have a room on their back for Amanda, but tell her say yes, when you go in a car, Amanda can drive with you, anything can happen, any game can play. Nobody can save you in a car.
You're gonna listen to what me I say before you attack me.
Continue.
As I was saying, I'm gonna just go fast forward, you know. As I was saying, me step out of the car, walk off, only to hear one car drive me down. So me run off. My backside me hear 2 shots. 2 shots, you know. Me not even realize that me get shot. So when me look down, I really see me get shot, me faint same time.
Oh God.
A hospital me wake up in with the whole of me hand wrap up.
So who find you?
Who find me? They just tell us that I wake up in the hospital. Hope if you know who find me.
Suppose the person they come look for you and say I'm me savior. People do that.
Well,
nobody never do that.
Nope.
But you're lucky. You could have lose your life, you know. You're stubborn. Me know say me go get blamed now, you know, cause me care back on the work. But guess what? You don't listen. Me always tell us that don't go with man in a car. And you always just go behind the back and do stupid things.
Pause. First of all, me never did in at the bar when me did a sell. You send me out a road. Who go wrong yourself?
First and
hold on, pause, me no don't talk. You always claim say, oh, I work. Any man come to buy, sell them. Am I lying? Hello?
No.
Okay, thank you.
But me never tell us if you sell them in a car. Me talk to you once, me talk to you twice. Me can't count how much time I talk to you, Amanda. Listen to me, you need to go look for your mother, you know. Because your mother wants to see you. And try remember if you not tell him say this is what you do. Or else you are not going to problem.
You looking at me eye. Me look like me care.
Well, you're a big woman, you come of age. You can do what you want to do. But remember say your mother and she love you.
What you say? Love me.
Hello.
First of all, if my mother did love me, you would make me go through all of them the trauma. You call that motherly love? No. That is not motherly love. So you see, when you see me I do right now, allow me to do it. Nobody can turn my mother now, you know.
Me? I turn your mother? Remember say I'm me I help you. I'm me and your mother. Oh. Not because your mother's still alive. And me have your back, and me look out for you, me take care of you, me send you to school, me do everything for you.
That's
so all you can't talk about say me not to turn your mother. You're supposed to respect me, no matter what.
That's the thing, me respect you. But me not respect the fact say you come here so I can tell me about candy. Where you tell me about candy for? Where you tell me about candy for? I say, that you come here so fuck out about candy? Me not need to hear nothing about candy. Me not even go say my mother or mommy. I'm a dear fuck. You hear say me get shot. Where you care come give me? You just carry your 2 long hand. Come turn up in front of me.
How me try something for you when me not even know your whereabouts? And look, me can't look for you. Me don't know where you want. Me don't know if you did the hospital.
A matter of fact. I'll be in the hospital. But anyways, we're not talking about that. Matter of fact. You see that work there? That so-called work. I'm not come back there. Kawa, the bar they salt, everybody in a heat salt, all the owner salt. I come like you own the whole factory. You travel with a bag of salt, one whole factory of salt. I'm not coming back there. And a matter of fact, let me tell you, you see, you can live your life, you know. Live your life as how you please. But for me, I'm done.
Well,
Not much, you know. So, what you deal with him?
I guess you want to to me. Talk to me.
So, you know some more something wants to tell you.
You never contact me like this.
So, I realize since Pinky come back, you know, call me. You know, normally I'm me than they call her, everything would they go through me. But since Pinky come back, everything change again. Eh? Not because she did there first, you know, remember so she left, you know. Me never left you, you know, bossy. Me always there. I know you put me for a sideline.
You take things too personal, man.
What you mean?
You're going too far. You're talking about sideline.
Bossy, normally me would get me look at 20 grand, 30 grand as tip. And since Pinky come now, where they? In night when she come back, me no get no tip the night there, no. I walk on, and she get me tip. No, bossy, you can't tell me about business. Me know for your business. Remember say you me work with. Me know you.
No, sir. You think you know me and that?
No, me not think me know you. Me know you.
Alright. What you think you know and all is that. Remember say business get up, down. Some of the time me have so much thing for me and you can't.
Boss, me not believe you, you know. But I say like you lie to me, you know. Remember say me I want a loyal girl them, you know.
Yeah, I take things too personal, man. But watch out, you are gone. The more you do is just go and do what you want to do. You see, you don't have to worry about that. Because you put too much on your brain, you know.
Boss, me not put too much on my brain. Me just feel left out. I'm not take nothing personal. It's just that when I work here, I just want to stay there. You understand? You know nobody come in and feel like they can get back all where they lose before.
You know say your place is your place. And you still can't get replaced.
Anything you say? So, you say I'm going for later now?
Well, later is later. You can't find out until later.
No more, find out for now. May I get tip?
Yeah, I get the money.
Make sure. May I call link you. Hold on, speak of the devil.
What do you mean?
No, boss, it's a phone call. May I get later here?
Come on, take your call.
Yeah. Well, another one, you know. You want to talk to me, bro? Anyway, alright. Guess what? Meet me. You know spot. You know we normal spot, so we always link up. Meet me there, so me I come. Alright, later. Yes, the boy know where my you know. Wait until he come. Wait. I'm gonna teach him one lesson. Oh.
Baby. Where are we now? I'm trying to fix things. See, eh? See, eh? So you got me up for one.
Where you find money from? We go do business.
Business.
Don't go where me I work.
Don't go where you work.
Hey!
What are that, man?
Don't go like an idiot. We say where you find money from?
Where
Where you find money from to go do business?
Which business you talk about?
Where you find money
Which
from?
business you talk about?
To go buy hey. You come like
Oh,
my
gosh, man,
oil. Where you find money from to go buy fruit?
Stop.
Huh?
Huh?
Yo, listen to me. Stop going like it. You just see any
yo,
you see any how many have me knife in so me just stab up you.
You believe
Yeah?
people? You believe people are they?
Listen to me.
Come to get money from. Oh gosh, mama.
You see if I this you want, you go for it. Because me not go snap your son, me get me for no idiot. You hear me? You hear me I say?
Man, they say work hard
You
to
hear
get
me
it
I
back
say?
and me get it back and here go on.
And what you mean by you go down at my workplace now?
So you
Gang,
say-
we call it. Go to man. Eh? Or you forgot to the man? Or you forgot to my boss? Eh? Or you can so, what make you so workless? What make you so workless? Eh? Eh?
Me a chat here and he come like this. I go to one year and come and tell you. Me a chat here. Me say me chat here. Me tell you some mash up your face with
Me see
it.
your plan for shame me. Me see your plan for disgrace me idea.
Me say come me tell you some mash up your face.
Watch out.
Eh? Look when you say you come all cranky by now. You come like I get you worse than how it look. Look funny. Look funny. All the wire and chaka like your face. Look funny bike.
I know, right, I feel away on myself, right?
All the wire there look chaka. Like a girl them. Where you go do business with?
You come like say rate all the boss more than you rate me too. Cause you look at these man,
It better him me there with. I know me regret it.
It
better him me there because guess I know he's a man. He's a man. And he have a man mindset. You understand? You don't have no man mindset because look at this. And this I go for. Is this my future? And this me I go live. And this no. Hold on.
You have to start.
And this I go take care of me.
So that your
If
future.
this fit take care of me.
Okay, boss, your future.
I beg for hey,
Oh.
listen to me now.
Oh.
A good, you know,
Then
say,
one both of you.
come to think of it.
I'm a fool. Come and see you one nice girl. I believe in you.
Come to think of it.
Yes,
a good thing when you want me to pregnant, me go dash you when me near me and swallow it and shit you out and all kind of thing.
After you tell me say I miscarriage,
eh?
Like you talk everything now.
Eh? I don't know, say. The reason why I call out here, son. Yeah, your friend, not true?
Yeah, you can call it so.
I don't know to buy a bar. This is my man come there.
Oh, I'm a husband keeper now? I'm a man keeper?
It's nothing about husband keeper, man keeper, anything when you want to call it. I ask you one question if it's yes or no.
I'm not seeing man.
You don't see him?
No, I didn't look for him in years.
Because we get one little news, you know. We get one little news, we go to the bar and then we come outside and so boom, we get the phone call. So my man and Amanda do business tonight.
My sister Amanda?
No, my sister Amanda.
No,
my sister, my sister. Me have you seen mama? Or
no,
papa?
me don't have the same mama and papa, but I just want to make sure all the people put the name Amanda, you know.
Yeah, I your sister me dey talk. Me get one little news say she and my man dey in a business. So me I ask her say if I see him very night when we come up there.
So you're bossing in a business? What kind of business you're bossing in?
Oh, bossy coming at this?
No. You ask question and me ask question. Me answer your question
how bossy coming at this?
But me answer your question already, so me ask my question.
Girl, I'm a man, you know. I feel away about the whole situation. You understand? I'm still not going to leave my man because I love my man. I'm just ask a question, say if you see him, I know you can't answer it.
I'm going to tell us that I don't see a man because I not keep a man.
But you come off for one different topic.
By the way, you see Amanda get shot?
Huh?
Yeah. My sister get shot.
Who shot Amanda?
I don't know. That me I try to find out right about now.
So
now my mother vexed me, my brother vexed me, everybody vexed me. Cause Amanda she come talk about say me make she get shot. Cause me bring her back up at the club and this and that and then we something
I like the party. You bring her back up there, but anyways.
No, you see why no, me know why you can't ask me for your man. Because me set up back you pan bossy and me call bossy and tell bossy say want come back. So that's why you can't ask me about your man cause and me a problem. Oh, my sister and me a problem in the whole on the life. So Amanda get shot and me a problem. Your man come about and me a problem. Oh, me see procedure. So where you and bossy you know?
You know what? It's alright. You see, just left here so you can't if friendship can't say when if left here
listen, you not feel me, you know, because you not help me up nor down. Go away, you go take a time out, boy, you come ask boy, your man. You must have husband keeper. Come let me keep him for you. Husband, watch him.
Alright.
Boy, you want to come back in a go-go life.
Good mood, you know.
Calm down now. Yes, yeah, calm down now.
Isis.
That my name.
Isis.
Yes, baby girl.
Isis.
Baby.
How much time I call her name?
So I never did that count. How much I call it?
And if me slap in your head side now, you know how much time I call her. How much time I call her name?
Feel like you calm down. You still behave like a valkyrie. It's a relax and make a girl.
Isis. Isis.
Yes, you're cute.
You know, say from me there with you. Listen, you chat too much. I remember tell you say your mouth take it best so you chat too much. Isis, you know, say from me there with you. Me turn one piece of papa. Me feel like one mad man. Me feel like me not even know if you call me, say. Me don't know what me go lay down with. Me don't know what is this me go lay down with. Isis.
I mean, I call this.
Isis.
So you lay down
if
with
you
this.
even want name that too.
If you lay down with
if
this,
you even want name it. What is me?
Mm.
I'm a princess.
We lay down
So
with
I
this.
get princess
We lay
treatment.
down with this.
Isis, I know what say. Me did think say me love you. But me not really, me not know what we call this. What you call this? Cause this is not love.
You know my wife.
This is not love.
You
I
know
see,
that.
you see
My
what time me they call
fiancé.
him and if you tell me what really go down with Amanda's situation. John Crack. Isis. Isis.
Amanda, the second time.
Isis.
Where say?
Unalive, girl.
Unalive. And what you talk about? You know, you put yourself in a problem. You talk about my mouth. You girl not unalive. Only honey get shot in her. See they tell lie on people. You feel what she your mouth and hear the load up. Yeah, talk for world
So
here,
hold
man.
on there.
Talk for world here, man.
Hold on there.
Yes,
Hold
hold
on.
on. You can't want
So,
hold on now.
no, yeah,
We making
confess.
hold on a while ago.
So you confess
So
to
go
me
on.
now and tell me, say, you do
Confess,
business with the
confess.
girl. You do business with the girl, Isis.
Listen, if I know one thing, I next thing we do, you know.
You do business with the
What
girl,
kind
me
of
ask you one
business? What kind
question.
of business? No. You not telling.
You know what? Pack your things them from out of my place and go on where you go. And a matter of fact too. Listen.
Them say pack which things? After we place it. Alright, you mess man. Go and go lie.
A matter of no.
cook
You
some
don't
food
tell me
tonight.
some if you
Go
go
and
lay
go
down.
lie
Not
down,
tell
man.
me that.
Come
Not
and
tell me
tell
that.
me
Come
right
here
now.
now, little girl. Not tell me some if you go lay down. Listen
Go
to me.
relax, man.
Me want you listen to me. Me want you tell me how I really good on because when the police then come here, me want give them direction
Police
to where
come
you live.
I ask them to live. So
Me
they
say
come,
when
they
they
come
come here, me want to give them direction to where you
yeah.
live because me no know you. Me no know you. Me only see you. Me no want nobody say me here. Don't touch me. I want to this man. No man. No. Stop. You me bust your head. Eh?
Calm down.
Me say, me want
things are going from
you give me the direction.
No business. Me no harm nobody. You just have pre one bag of things. But me tell you go on your contents are bad you because you know say yo man a good youth and they try growing me thing brother in every form and fashion. Cause me know your boss na business you know. Me know say your boss na business you know. Alright, me leave it trust you again because you go to have some other man a deal and a style and a
Alright, listen.
Yes, you know.
Why when no. Why when man do things? Man pin it for woman so them a do things.
Who are you that
Me
do
ask
things?
you one question.
Are you that do
Why
things?
when uno man do things?
Why when
uno
woman
pin it
do
for the
things, uno
woman?
pin it for man?
Yeah, me
That's
chat.
your fi answer.
Me bust up your mouth and me chat.
You're lucky me not be to man.
Eh?
You're lucky me not be to man. Actually, my father grow me
You're
good.
there with the girl, make it go on so.
You
buy front from the girl, make it go on so.
Boy,
Eh?
if me not get little friends
And then
from
I
the
come
girl,
back in my house like everything good.
Alright,
Everything
one
can
friend,
good in me
one
you know, because me know
one
you do
friend,
the
one.
girl something. You do the girl something.
you may
Why
say-
all
you
of
may
a
say-
sudden as
you
I
may
buy
say-
the front?
So make us up.
A girl get unalive.
So me ask you a question. I say, with all of them, nice embarrassment and accusation. Since the girl get unalive, but as me tell her she not get unalive, since the girl get shot, you try to reach out to her and ask her if she alright? You just there talk a bag of thing when I go so.
Reach out to which girl? We sell
Go and go ask the
them
girl.
front to me man. When me a reach out to that girl for?
Me never buy no front. I never buy no front.
Listen,
I never
don't
buy
come
no
play a
front.
fool so me hear from good
Me say
source.
me never buy no front. Wait. Hey, me say me never buy it.
So where buy?
Never buy
How you
nothing. You go look for a night. I'm not see her. I'm come back down and I feel the tomato. I'm down in a bar as me tell them me get up there because tell me say boss give much $1,000. So I say, oh, and that's why I not see her. And you go on like you can't grow me and I talk. I talk you thing them now.
No, listen.
Me talk you thing them now. So you can't tell me say your boss in a business. Because I know say your boss in a business, but you just want to take me to eat that and they talk about me and this and that. Talk it short, man.
Anything where you talk, listen, anything where you talk, say go through this a years and come back to me next year. Because this don't make no sense right now. You hear me I say? Pack your things them and come out of my place. Pack your things them and come out of my place. Me sorry, so me go lay down with something like you.
Me sit down and wait for me youth, you know.
No more you say right now, don't make no sense, Isis. So here we go on. You know, me I get myself ready to go to work and do not come up on my workplace. You understand?
You hear me I say? I can't take a contention.
You see?
Because you want to come up there and tell me nothing with woman. What the fuck? You can't tell me for I feel your place, you want to me tell this matter of fact. I say, me come up there and see me even say something. Let me see the boss boy. Was someone like him? Or someone go back and he can style me. Then I can run me down with slip and see him. You go, yeah,
listen. Regardless of everything what you say, this relationship is over. And a matter of fact, you can't step to me, you know. So everything what you say, I know say a joke you run. You don't really mean it. And here I go on, you can't step to me because me a real bad girl. And you know that in a real life, me pluck out the big guy them. So stop Frank. No, but go on, so. I must see look back, man, but go on, so. Just take up yourself and just go. Come on, now I fool you from what day.
Right now,
I fool you.
I move with police.
If you think you slick on me, you go down your granny for your 2 pieces of clothes and carry them and say, if you don't like them. Oh.
You're not close to like them.
What are you?
To subscribe.
You subscribe, yes.
She's for the streets, just living life with no apology. Yeah, free from poverty, despite the spiritual analogy. Some days she's happy, some days she's sad, some days all she thinks about is money. She's on a mission to fulfill her goal. Her heart remains so icy cold. Mama wasn't there for, Papa wasn't there for. There's no family that she can call. Hey. Some family is bad for business.